How to set default printer on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to set default printers on Windows 11, click on Windows search icon at bottom left. Now type in Control Panel and under Best Matches, you will simply find the app. Click Open at right corner of the screen. And then Control Panel window will open, where you need to locate the option for Devices and Printer. Click on it. This will help us to view and manage devices, printers, and print jobs. Now you will get access to this section where you will see all of your Bluetooth and devices connected, including the printers connected. You can even click on View More Devices and check all your connected devices. If you have any multiple printers connected on your device, you will see it on the section. Since there is no such printer connected, there is no printers on this page. But if you have, you can easily choose a particular printer which you want to set the default as. Simply you need to right click on that particular printer and you will get the option to set as default printer on the menu box. Click on it and after a while you will successfully set a default printer on your Windows 11 PC. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.